Hey everybody, today I wanted to talk to you about thesis statements and how these things fit into your paper. It's kind of important that you know how to write one of these thesis statements because it's essential to knowing your writing. And a thesis statement is just a roadmap for your paper. All it's doing is it's a sentence at the end of your introduction that says, this is what's coming in my paper. Okay, so as you've been doing your research, you should have been figuring out kind of the main ideas of your topic. So, for instance, I'm going to be using abortion as an example topic because I know none of you are doing it. So, what I would like you to look at is this worksheet that I have sent out today. So I'm just going to go over this really quickly. This should be a shorter video. So thesis statement is one sentence. It's not two sentences. It's not three. It is one sentence. Okay. It appears as the last sentence of your introduction and the first sentence of your conclusion. Later this week, I will get you you'll have a guided writing packet that will help you show you what you need to write. And it'll say, write your thesis statement here. So this is the first step in that process. Okay. Like I just said, thesis statements are a roadmap for your paper. It organizes your paragraphs. It gives your reader an idea of what they are about to read. It presents your main topic and the three supports that you have for your topic. So, for instance, a thesis statement would be like the one you see here. Abortion is wrong because it can negatively affect the woman, it's painful for the fetus, and a fetus is a baby, okay? Now, whatever your beliefs are, that's fine. This is just an example, okay? So a thesis statement is a statement. It's something that you just say. It's not a question. It's not an exclamation like, it's not anything like that. It is a statement, okay? It is what you believe and why you believe it. It is what you are persuading me about, okay? Never, please, never, you actually should never write this in any of your writing, ever. In this paper, I will talk about, don't do that. That is boring writing. That is basic writing. That is writing that your English teacher will cringe every time they read it. Please don't do that. You don't need to add it in this paper. I know it's in this paper because I'm going to read it. So if you look on here, your thesis example, right? This example, the first thing is your opinion of the main topic. If I'm writing about abortion, I say how I feel about it. Abortion is wrong, okay? Statement, boom. The next part are the supports because, and then you give 3 reasons why it's wrong. Now, if you have 3 reasons, what do you think that matches in your paper? It matches your body paragraphs because you have 3 body paragraphs. Introduction, body paragraph, body paragraph, body paragraph, conclusion. So 3 supports, 3 body paragraphs. They should match, and they should be in the order that you're going to write them. So for instance, abortion is wrong because it can negatively affect the woman. That's my first support. It should be my first body paragraph. So right after my introduction, I should talk about it can negatively affect the woman. It's painful for the fetus. That's my second support. That should be my second body paragraph. And a fetus is a baby. Third support, third body paragraph. So what this is, your thesis statement is just showing me what your whole paper is going to be about, what you believe and why you believe it, okay? So on the back of this paper, which hopefully you'll be able to access very easily, I give you 3 different steps, okay? 3 different steps to write a thesis statement. 1, make a declaration. I can't talk today. Make a declaration. So, abortion is wrong. Or, we should be wearing school uniforms. Or, executing dogs after they bite someone is wrong. Or, the Second Amendment should be protected at all costs. Or, the school dress code needs to be updated. Or whatever your belief is, you need to write that in a declaration, this is what I believe. Okay? So abortion, and in this box, I would write abortion is wrong. Then you need to write down your 3 supporting statements. You guys have been doing research for a little over a week. You should have, by the time we get to this step, read your articles, looked at those things, filled out that packet, and written down anything that you think is interesting or important. All right. So you need to come up with 3 reasons why your opinion is correct using your research. So if it was this one, it would be, I would write down, it negatively affects the woman. It's painful for the fetus. A fetus is a baby. Those are the 3 things I would want to write about. Those are the 3 topics that I can write a whole paragraph about, and I have research to back it up. I have articles, websites, quotes, all those things, okay? So, abortion is wrong. Write down your 3 supports. Make a declaration, write down your 3 supports, and then you combine them. Abortion is wrong because, and then you write your 3 things, okay? So, and that's exactly what this is. We have a declaration because 3 supports, okay? You're combining them. If you are confused by this, please let me know. I try to break it down so that this is for 1 sentence, this whole worksheet, but this sentence is probably your most important sentence of your paper. So that's why I want to take a little bit of time to do this, okay? So you should be caught up with your research. You should have filled that packet out with all sorts of quotes and things from your articles that you think were interesting or important. And now the next step is to write your thesis statement. So if you have questions, let me know, but this is what you should be doing for today. And I don't want this video to be very long, so let me know if you need help. Bye.